Hi, good morning children. Welcome to Teacher Fu Science class today. Well, this morning we are going to make a very simple volcano eruptions experiment at home using very simple materials that we can find in the kitchen. So, let me just explain to you what is volcano about. In a simple word, a volcano is actually an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases escapes from this Earth's surface. Okay, have you ever seen a volcano eruptions photos? Teacher has downloaded a few photos from Google. So this photo looks like a volcano eruptions. You see the lava, which is the orange color liquid, the volcanic ash coming up from the Earth's surface. See that? And all the gases that escape from this surface that makes you think like, it's like the explosion effect. Well, a volcano eruption is also considered a natural disaster. So when natural disasters happen, a lot of people will injure, a lot of people will die, and a lot of people got no food to eat, no place to stay. So we have to cherish whatever resources that we have right now and try to be friendly and love the Mother Nature. So basically today the experiment teacher is going to use some of the recycled materials. Okay, the first thing that we need for this science experiment is a large container like this. Large container, we're going to put it in the middle of our table. And then we need a measuring cup. We need a small spoon. Of course, this is one of the very important ingredients that we need, the baking soda. The food coloring, it depends on your favorite color. Teacher's favorite color is blue, so I choose to use blue. Vinegar, the second very important ingredient that we need, which is the vinegar. A recycled vitagen bottle. And a small piece of Play-Doh, like this. Okay, so before we start the experiment, we will need to use the small piece of Play-Doh to secure the vitagen bottle first, like this. Put it at the bottom. And then we're going to stick it in the middle of our large container so that the vitagen bottle will not fall. Okay. Second thing is, we're going to use this vinegar, pour it into the measuring cup. We're going to pour roughly 150 ml. Okay, there you go. This is 150 ml. Okay, we're going to use the food coloring, just a small drop on the empty vitagen bottle. Okay, so that our volcano eruption has got blue color effect. Okay, this is the baking powder. We're going to open it. We're going to put the small spoon into the baking powder. Okay, like this. Just get everything standby. And be careful when you pour the vinegar into the vitagen bottle. This will need to practice your hand-eye coordination and also your concentration too. Okay, then after that we shake it. We shake. Can you see? My vinegar has now turned into a blue color vinegar. Okay. Well, The interesting part is here. We are going to scoop a tablespoon of baking powder like this. Okay, maybe more. Okay, like this. Okay, and before teacher put the baking powder into the vitagen bottle, children, can you guess what will happen? Can you predict what will happen? So it's okay. Teacher is going to show you what will happen once I pour in the baking powder. It will give you an explosion effect. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! See that? Whoa! Isn't it very interesting? Wow! You can try to do another round. I try to do another round so that you do not miss the fun. Now we're going to add in the remaining vinegar into the vitagen bottle. There you go. Are you ready? Teacher is going to show again. So when the baking powder meets the vinegar, it will create a chemistry effect. What do we call that chemistry effect? We call it as carbonic acid and sodium acetate. It will create a beautiful illusions to children, like volcano eruption right in front of you. Again, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go! Whoa! Volcano has erupted in front of you. Wow! You see that? And can you hear the bubbling sound? Well, children, this is the volcano eruption science experiment that teacher just shared to you. You can also imagine that if you don't have all this material at home, you can also imagine you are using a Coca-Cola carbonated drinks. And then you shake it like very hard. Now right after you shake it, you open the lid. It will also give you the similar effect. Similar size effect. Okay? Well, just gonna put this aside. At the end of the lesson, children get to produce and observe the volcano eruption process, just like what you did. And moreover, children are also able to develop 3 main science process skills, which are the observation skill, communicating skill, and the prediction skill too, because you need to predict what will happen next when teacher pour in the baking soda, right? So, I hope this science lesson helps you to increase your curiosity and interest on science subject, whether now or in future. Okay, so thanks for having me. I'm gonna end this video really soon. Hope you enjoy the science lesson with Teacher Fu, and take care guys. Bye.